What's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel. We are going to be restoring an old Dell Inspiron. It's family members of mine, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cleaning it out with some air duster. We're going to take out the motherboard and everything else inside, and then we're going to restore it. And then we're going to reinstall Windows 10 in the next episode. So stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, so here is the machine itself. As you can see, it's a Dell. I think it's an Inspiron. Yeah, it's an Inspiron. It says it right here on the side. So we're also going to be trying to take this sticker off. There is a hard drive in it, and I was told it was like a virus on it or something along those lines. So we got all that. So it's like right along here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and take out the motherboard right now, and then we're going to go outside and dust it out. It's just going to be a lot easier. So let me go ahead and lay this down. All right, so now we are going to unscrew this. So this thing is a little dirty. I don't know when it was last opened or when it was built. It is definitely a pre-built, so I know that. Yummy. So it looks like the hard drive's right there. I guess what we're going to do first is take out the hard drive, unplug the SATA power, unplug the SATA cable. So here's the hard drive. It's a Seagate 750 gigabyte, so we're definitely going to be reinstalling Windows 10 on that. I might even buy like a solid state for them, just so it speeds it up a little more, and just use this as a second hard drive or something, but you know. I set that to the side. Now we're going to go ahead and take out the power supply, so let's unplug all the power. And I do know it boots. I should probably test if it boots first, but I already know it boots, so I'm not going to worry about it. I definitely already know it boots. We'll worry about that later. So let's take out the power supply. Okay, I'll just unplug the SATA from the motherboard because I'm pulling out the motherboard anyway. Good SATA cables. We're going to move the screws over somewhere because I know if I don't, I'll lose them. So I don't know what processor's in here. I think it's a Pentium. It's like, yeah, it has a Windows 7 sticker on it, so it's not that old. It's probably got like 4 gigs of RAM in it, and if I can find some more RAM, I might upgrade it to like 8 gigs or something. I don't know if I have any more RAM, but we can see. Even if it's just a small, like, 6 gigabyte upgrade, then, you know, it's RAM. It doesn't need a lot of RAM, especially because they don't use it for gaming or anything. It's more of an office computer. I think they surf the web and stuff with it, but if we clean it up and stuff like that, I'm sure it'll help a little bit. We're going to reseat the processor, and we're going to put thermal paste on it. And yes, I am in pajamas. You will see that. I don't really care. And yes, I am wearing a Star Wars shirt. I still don't care. I just don't care. Yeah, it says Inspiron 560 on the back. That's interesting. I have a motherboard, or a friend of mine has a motherboard with an Inspiron 620, I think, which was my old i5 system. So if I can figure out what socket type that is, I might be able to put a different processor in there and make it a little faster. Probably not, because that might be an 1166 motherboard, or 1366. I don't remember. Go ahead and take the power supply out. Really? There's a tab right there. Why did it? Okay. That definitely needs to be dusted out. Yummy. So here's the board. Now you guys can see a little bit better. At least this iPhone won't overheat on me. So we're going to take the RAM out next. Probably got like 4 gigs in it. 1 gig, 1 gig. Yeah, so 4 gigs. I might be able to find like a 2 gig stick or two 2 gig sticks and then put 2 more 1 gig sticks in there or something. If you mix up RAM, it's not that big of a deal. But if you can upgrade it, then, you know, I'm going to do that. I'm going to take out the wireless card that actually I might have to replace because either I broke it or is like that already. I might have actually broken it. I don't know. We're going to take out these fans before I take out the board. Wow. You guys see that on camera? See that? Look at that. That's definitely going to have dusted. I have some air duster in a can. And I know I said I'm going to be dusting it out with air duster, like, duh, of course. Oh, it's so nasty. Oh, that's nasty. All right. Can't really do much about it. So let's take out the board. I'm going to have to unplug the front I.O. Is that all the power button stuff? Is it? Oh, they color-coded it. Nice job, Dell. Or no, it looks like it's intertwined with something. Whatever, I don't care, as long as this thing still boots after that. They did a little bit of cable management. The power supply isn't really cable management friendly, though. That is nasty. If you guys can actually see, like right here, there's just, oh my god. Oh, see, if you guys work with computers, you'll learn that cleaning them is probably not the most fun thing in the world. But I've cleaned worse, so, you know. Alright, so we're going to take out this screw here. Oh, this thing's nasty. It's got HDMI on it, so that's good. It's got VGA, which that's more than likely what they use, because if it's a Dell monitor, it's more than likely got VGA on it. I could give them a HDMI to VGA adapter, so that it's not going to make a difference. Ooh, yummy. Oh, the underside's actually not even that bad. So here's the motherboard. So, you know, PCI Gen 2, so you're not going to be doing much gaming on this. Yeah, that definitely needs to be reseated. I don't know what the socket type is, though. I'm curious. It is DDR3, so it can't be too old. Alright, so we're actually going to clean the board off first. Now, we're going to be doing this outside, so I'll see you guys outside. Alrighty, guys, so we're back outside. So here's the board. Just going to... that's as clean as I'm going to get it. So I'm going to go get the case now. Alrighty, guys. So sorry about you guys not being able to see the board when I had it like that. My phone's about to die, so I'm going to hurry up. Not want to lose that. Oh wow, this is, I'm not even, alright. Oh my. You guys see that? You guys seeing that? I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up this case, because I did not realize how dirty this was. Oh my god. My phone's about to die, so I'll get back to you guys when the case is all clean. You guys don't need to see this. Alrighty, update guys. So I just want to give you guys one quick update. So my computer does work now. I got the video card to work. Yeah, I punched that. So my computer does work now. The video card, I put it in the second slot. The first slot is fucked, so I'm just going to use the second slot now. You see, you're probably wondering why I have a different monitor. I let my father use that one, so I just have this square one. It works fine. No problem. So with the computer, this thing's a lot dirtier than I thought. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this phone charge, and I'm going to update you guys on the next episode. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you did, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. Let me know what you guys think for future videos and stuff like that. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.